Hello guys, welcome back to the combat series. This is the first video of 2022, which is pretty cool, I guess. Today we're gonna be making blocking. I've already made the animation. See, not this. Yeah, I didn't save my I didn't save my animation, so I think I gotta redo my animation. It's pretty simple. It's just one frame of animation. It's not gonna be that hard. It's probably gonna take like 1 minute. See. Okay. Yeah, they should be fine, to be honest. Yeah, they should be fine. Right, this is fine. I'm gonna save my animation. Blocking. Copy the A. Okay. And then we're gonna make a script. Local script. And then add the animation. Blocking. Block animation. Block animation. Just name this to animation. Name this whatever you want, to be honest. It doesn't really matter. Okay, I'm gonna rename this local script to blocking script. Script blocking. No, just name this blocking. Local UIS equals game get service user input service. And then we're gonna be making the remote function. I'm gonna rename this to block function. Okay. Local remote equals game.replicate storage wait for child block function. And then we're gonna make the character variables. Global character equals character parent. Local humanoid character. Oops, not this character. Wait for child humanoid. And local animator humanoid animator. Yeah, just and then the animation variable. Animation equals animator. Load animation. Script dot wait for child. What's it called again? Yeah, just anim. Then UIS dot input began connected to the function. These are the parameters. We've done this before. Typing. So let me close the module scripts real quick. If typing, then return n. If the player is typing or interacting with the GUI, then the script will stop immediately. If key.keycode equals enum.keycode.f. The key code is up to you, but I'm gonna use F. And for the clicking, it uses input type, but for keys, it's gonna use key code. This uses input type because for M1s for clicking, and this uses key code for sensing keys. Then we're gonna fire the remote invoke server, and then we're gonna stop the animation play, not stop play, I mean play. Then UIS.input ended, not big ended. Connect function key. If the key that got ended is F, then remote invoke server animation stop. Okay, then let's make the server script. Okay, server script. I'm gonna name this blocking backend or whatever you want. Local remote equals game.replicate storage wait for child remote blocking function. Remote.on server invoke equals function. This is a player parameter. Then it's gonna print the player if the function got invoked. We're not gonna do anything too crazy right now. We're gonna do this step by step. So it's gonna be a simple video. We're 5 minutes in right now. I hope there's gonna be no errors. Oh my god, what is this? Animations, anime. Oh, it's a it's a typo. I closed it. Oh my god. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Animation. There it is. Okay. It's gonna work now, and then we're gonna make it so it adds the blocking attribute. Okay, it works. Let's see if the combat works. Okay, it doesn't break anything. Oh my god. Okay, finally. Okay, now we're gonna add an attribute. And then we're gonna do something like this. Invoke server. Then we're gonna add in a parameter. Block release when we unblock. We'll just name this unblock. And then block. The parameter should be called action. And it's gonna print the player and the action. Block, unblock, block, unblock. Okay, okay, it works, it works, it works. Okay, that's nice, that's nice. Okay, then we're gonna check the action. If action equals block, then we're gonna change the attribute to not change. I'm gonna add an attribute called blocking. First, let me make these variables equals player.character. Okay, character set attribute blocking true, and oops, else if action equals unblock, then character set attribute blocking. No, it's gonna remove the blocking attribute. Then we're gonna check if the character is stunned or not. Something like this. Local stunned equals character get attribute stunned. Local blocking equals character get attribute blocking. Blocking. Local attacking equals character get attribute attacking. If attacking or stunned or blocking, then return end. Okay. Let's see if this works. I hope there's gonna be no errors, because I don't like errors. Hold on, let me check the attribute real quick. Sushi master, blocking. Okay, now, okay, does it break anything? Okay, it doesn't break anything. Okay, now for the combat system, we're gonna go to the combat. Where is it? There it is. The combat backend. We're gonna check if the character is blocking or not. If humanoid dot, let me make the character variable first. Local character equals humanoid. Find first ancestor. Actually, let's just do humanoid parent. Actually, humanoid parent. Local blocking equals humanoid. No. Character get attribute blocking. Get attribute blocking. Okay. Capital B. If blocking, then return end. And E character. Enemy character. Okay. Let's see if this works or not. We're gonna add an attribute to this dummy. Let me switch the server real quick. We're gonna add an attribute. Add an attribute blocking, and then true. No, never mind. I'm gonna make it into boolean. Blocking. Boolean. True. Let's see if this works. Nope. Yep, it works. If the character is blocking, then it'll do nothing. But if it's not blocking, it'll do damage. Yeah, it works. It works. Yeah, it works. Okay, now I think I'm gonna make block breaking, and then block buffering. Oh yeah, it's not gonna. It's gonna be pretty easy. If blocking, then hold on. Then if combo equals 5, then stun the character for let's say 2 seconds. It's up to you if you want to change the duration or not. Then we're gonna remove the attribute e character. Oh yeah, let's change it to ehum, so we can differentiate it from actually we don't have a humanoid variable, so but still though, if you make a humanoid variable, it's gonna be confused with this humanoid variable, so we're gonna rename this to ehum instead of humanoid. E character set attribute blocking no. I think this will work, and then we're gonna add a print to see if it worked or not. Character print e character is block broken. Okay, let me find out. Okay. Let me find out if this works or not. Okay, what's this? Oh yeah. I can't concatenate an instance with a string, so I'm gonna change this to dot name. Okay, let me make the demi block. Blocking. Boolean. Make it true. Okay. Yeah, it works. It works. That's nice. That's nice. Then the comment backend, we're gonna check if the character is blocking or not. So blocking with character get attribute blocking. And let's rename this to e blocking. E blocking. Okay. E stands for enemy, by the way. Enemy blocking, so you don't get confused. Okay, where's this? Or blocking. Now we shouldn't be able to click while we're blocking. See? But before we were able to punch while blocking, I think. Let me check. Just remove this. Let's play. Yeah, so that's why you gotta add this, so you don't punch while you're blocking. Okay, now we're gonna add block buffering. Well, let me make it easier to change to stun and unstun characters. Hold on. Strip that pair not touched. Hit um local character equals hit dot parent. Local human equals character. Oh my god. Fun for shell humanoid. If the character is a humanoid, then we're gonna stun the character. Set attribute stunned. True. Okay. Then we're gonna do the same thing except we remove the stun. In nil. Okay. Let's see if this works. Look at this. I'm stunned, right? I'm stunned. And I can't block. I can? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I can't. It's just the animation. Still playing. I need to do the same thing with this. If we're gonna make the blocking backend return a value. Return true. Local R. R doesn't stand for anything, but it's just a random letter. If R, then animation play. And animation play. It's the same thing as this. Yeah. So if you watch my previous video, you get what I mean. It's pretty simple. Okay, hold on. Okay, then I unstun myself and block. Okay, it works now. Okay, it works. And then we're gonna add block buffering. So actually I'm gonna make a block breaking animation. Yeah, I'm gonna make a block breaking animation. So you guys wanna ask me on how to do that in the comment section. Let's just make the animation real quick. Okay, it looks pretty decent. Okay, it's pretty okay, pretty good. Okay. Now publish this to Roblox. I'm gonna change this to oops. Block broken. Submit, and then copy the ID. Put in the animation in the script. Blocking backend animation. Huh? I thought I copied the ID. I don't know why. It doesn't work. Hold on. Block broken. Okay, let me copy the ID. Hope it works. There. I don't need to rename this. I don't care. Okay, wait, not this. Combat backhand. Here. Let me open the output real quick. And we're gonna add in the animation. Local e animator equals animator. Local garbage equals e animator. Load animation script.animation. And then we're gonna play the animation. Click play. And we're gonna make the duration a bit longer. So yeah. Copy. Let's make this for like, I don't know. Hold on, let me change the FPS to 60. So I don't know, it's up to you to be honest. What's my duration? 3 seconds. I'll just make this 1 second, I don't know. Copy, paste. How do I copy and paste? Copy, paste. Okay. Oops, what is happening? Okay, just make this 1 second. Publish to Roblox. Block broken. I hope this works actually. Let's see if this works or not. Yeah, but there's a delay though. I don't know why. There's a delay. Blocking. I don't know how to fix this, but yeah, there's gonna be a delay. Hold on, what? Yeah, I'm turning it on. Okay, let's see if this works. Actually, there's a delay this time. Yeah, there's a delay because last time because the animation haven't loaded in yet. Like the character haven't loaded the animation, but after it loaded, it's not gonna delay anymore. So yeah, it's gonna be fine. And then you can click off this video right now if you want to, but I'm gonna add block buffering. So what block buffering does is let me explain okay. I want this blocking system to be like when you're stunned, right? You can't block, but I want it to be like when you block, when you're holding F, and then you get unstunned, it'll block immediately. So you don't have to reblock because reblocking is really annoying. Like you don't know when you're unstunned, and then you just gotta keep mashing F, and I don't like that in fighting games. I want to keep holding F, and then once I'm unstunned, I want it to block immediately. So I'm gonna do that right now. It's not that hard actually. It's pretty easy, but it's gonna be hard to explain to you. So let's make the block table, buffering table. Okay, blocking then return n. Then I'm gonna change the okay, and then we're gonna add the character to the buffering table. Character equals true. It's a table because it's gonna store every single character that holds block. Let's see, I'm holding block, right? It's gonna be sushi monster in this table. And then let's say another player holds block. They're gonna be in this table as well. Player 2 equals true. So it's gonna be like this. This is what the table will look like if players are blocking. So yeah, if you're confused on why it's a table, it's because there's only one script in this game, right? It's not inside of the character. If it's inside of the character, I can just use a normal variable instead of a table. But this time it's one single script inside a game. Okay, if it's inside the local script, inside the local script, there's gonna be a lot of copies of the script, and I can just do something like this: local action. If it's buffering, if it's I'm gonna make this changes to buffering. If it's not buffering block, I'm just gonna make this to a not holding block. But this time it's one singular script. There's not any copies of the script. It's in server script service. So that's why I'm making it a table, since there's not any copies of the script. The script will always be one. So I'm gonna make this into table, buffering table. To store the action of the player, the actions, if whether or not the character is holding F or the character is letting go of F. So yeah, if you don't understand, then I don't know how to explain it to you. I'm not good at explaining, man. Okay. Repeat. Wait until attacking or blocking equals attacking until attribute attacking. I didn't use the attacking variable because the variable saves the attribute, so it doesn't update. So I'm gonna use get attribute false, or get attribute. Let me do something like this. If attacking or stunned, then it's gonna keep waiting until the character is unstunned. Get attribute stunned equals false, or the character stops buffering, or the character or not. Actually, we can just do something like this. If not character get attribute stunned, it's basically the same as character get attribute stunned equals false. So if you're gonna do equals false, just do not, just do something like this. It's the same thing as equals false. If you understand that. If you don't, then I don't know how to explain to you. Or not buffering table, blocking, not have blocking character. Okay, then we're gonna do something like this. Since if the character stops holding F, it's gonna stop repeating. But we don't want it so the character lets go of F, and then it sets the attribute to blocking to true. So we're gonna check if the character stops buffering or not. Buffering table character, if not buffering table character, essentially the same thing as buffering table character equals false. Then return end and return. Okay, then we're gonna do something like this. Buffering table character equals nil. It's gonna remove the character. Okay, let's say I am blocking right now, right? I'm blocking, but when I let go of F, it's gonna remove this index, or it's gonna change this to nil. It's basically the same thing as removing it. So let's see if this works or not. I hope it does. Okay. Hold on, let me check my attribute. Never mind. I don't need to. Okay, so I'm stunned. I'm certain now. Yeah, I'm stunned. Then I'm holding F. What? It still works? Hold on. This makes no sense. Oh, because it's an or. It's should have been an and, dude. Oh my god, so stupid. And because I added an or, um, it doesn't work because it's an or. So if one of these conditions are met, then the script will continue no matter what. So yeah, that's why. Not. So not actually. So using not actually works. That's good to know. Buffering table character. Okay, so let's see if this works or not. Oh my god, dude. Okay. Huh. Oh, it's because I added an and. It should be an or. Since. Oh. So, okay, let me explain. This doesn't work because if one of these condition is met, then it's gonna continue whether I'm stunned or not, right? So I added an and. But if I added an and here, this script won't run if I'm still holding F. So if I let go of F, I added an and, then the script would work. Okay, but I added an or. If the character is stunned or attacking, then it's gonna keep waiting for the character to be unstunned and not attacking, or if the character lets go of F, and then it's gonna continue, and it's gonna check if the character lets go of F or not, then it's gonna stop the script. Okay, I hope you guys understand. Let's see if this works one last time. Oh, man. Okay. Yep, the script works. But yeah, this is it for the tutorial. I hope you understand what I said. See ya.